So over here at the corner of the installation, if you notice, there is this sculpture simply called the Happy Prince and the Swallow Horizontal. And this is one of the very first piece that I made for the show. And I was trying to figure out how to make a figurative sculpture because this is something that I have not done before. So in a way, I was making a quick sketch, a sculptural sketch, if you want, to try to figure out how this sculpture will be structurally sound. And as soon as I made it in a sort of a quick way, I really love how fragile it looks. So it has a sort of fragility that really speaks to this tragedy of the story. So from the very beginning, I already decided that this will be part of the installation, and this piece will stay in a darker corner of the show that is unlit, in contrast to the rest of the sculpture in a group in the center of the space, so to speak. And in a way that this piece also speaks to the spirit of the story, which is about the prince and the swallow sacrifice themselves in order to help the poor, which is something that was very moving for me, that get me to want to use the story for the show in the first place. Because I think the story for me, besides seeing, is also a parable about the economic situation that we experience in our world right now. And frankly, that the income gap between the rich and the poor is so wide right now that I'm really baffled by it. And I'm hoping that by introducing Oscar Wilde Happy Prince story, that might give us a space, a platform to think about notions of income inequality, notion of generosity, and notions of seeing and different perspective of seeing.